Tragic discovery this morning inside of an East Oak Cliff home. 4 people, including 2 children, were found dead inside a house under renovation. Thank you for being with us this evening. I'm Marisa Vedra. Investigators say that the 2 adults were working inside that home near Ledbetter and Frio Drive when the home's owner found them this morning. Our Lauren Zakalik is live at this home with the latest on this. Lauren.
Marie, investigators believe carbon monoxide is the reason those 2 adults and those 2 very small children died. Dallas Fire Rescue says 2 male construction workers were staying in the home overnight, and one of those workers brought his sons with him. The home's owner tells us tonight those boys were 2-year-old twins. It appears at some point overnight the men brought a gas-powered generator inside, perhaps to keep people from stealing it, but instead it poisoned the home. The home's owner went to check on things in the morning, and all 4 people were dead inside. DFR says no windows were open, and the generator gave off extraordinary levels of carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide levels read over 200 parts per million. To give you some kind of perspective, for a prolonged period of time, exposures as low as 9 to 10 can be fatal.
Investigators removed that generator from the home while they were on the scene earlier. The medical examiner's office has not yet officially identified any of those 4 victims. We're live in Oak Cliff. Lauren Zakalik, Channel 8 News.